Hi! In front of me is REALME C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Then click on Permission Manager over here and pick one of your device's features, like Location. Then select one of your apps, like Amazon Shopping, and pick one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask of a time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so I have to click on this option and go back. As you can see, Amazon Shopping just gained access to this device location. But you can also pick one of your apps, select See all Amazon Shopping permissions over here, and manage them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!